Welcome to the Huberman Lab podcast, where we discuss science and science-based tools for everyday life. I'm Andrew Huberman, and I'm a professor of neurobiology and ophthalmology at Stanford School of Medicine. My guest today is Dr. Casey Means. Dr. Casey Means did her undergraduate degree at Stanford University and her medical degree at Stanford University School of Medicine. She is one of the world's foremost experts in metabolic health. Today we discuss how metabolic function and dysfunction impacts our health. In particular, we discuss mitochondria, which are involved in energy production within our cells, and the various things that we can each and all do to ensure proper mitochondrial function, which is essential not just for things like body composition and physical and mental energy, but also our ability to regulate hormones, blood sugar, and much more. We discuss how exercise, even simple exercise like walking, as well as sleep, as well as more vigorous exercise, and in particular nutrition, including the types of foods we eat, the timing of food intake, and the sources and quality of those foods impact our mitochondria and other aspects of metabolic function. We also discuss how particular micronutrients within specific foods can directly impact mitochondrial and metabolic health. Dr. Means explains how mitochondria, inflammation, and reactive oxygen species, which are the byproducts of metabolism in our cells, can combine to create conditions of obesity, as well as ways that we can manage those things or even reverse mitochondrial inflammation and reactive oxygen species dysfunction in order to reverse obesity, reverse diabetes, and enhance our health in myriad ways. By the end of today's discussion, you'll have a clear picture of the cellular processes that occur in the brain and body that underlie metabolic disease and metabolic health. And most importantly, you'll have a very clear picture of the actionable items that we can each and all carry out every day and every week in order to ensure metabolic health, proper mitochondrial function, and indeed that can also impact body composition and overall feelings of well-being. I would also like to share that Dr. Casey Means has a terrific new book coming out. I know it's terrific because I've read it. It is entitled Good Energy, The Surprising Connection Between Metabolism and Limitless Health. If you're interested in the book, we provided a link to the book in the show note captions. Before we begin, I'd like to emphasize that this podcast is separate from my teaching and research roles at Stanford. It is, however, part of my desire and effort to bring zero cost to consumer information about science and science-related tools to the general public.